Good morning, everyone. Start chapter 11. My grandfather's little fairy. Okay. This is a incident. This is an event about the story of a grandfather and grandmother with their granddaughter, to whom they are saying they are treated like a fairy. Everyone in this world have his or her own memories, either sweet memories or bad memory. अच्छी बुरी सभी तरह की यादें होती हैं. Sweet memory can make us feel happy when we remember about it, but all memories can make us learn and teach us to be more confident and careful. हर जो याद होती है, हर जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है, वो हमें इस कॉन्फिडेंट और केयरफुल बनाता है. This is a story about the grandfather that as the granddaughter's father told that when she was 3 years old, her grandfather was terrorizing person. There was nobody in the town who did not know about this thundering anger. मतलब बहुत खतरनाक गुस्सा उनके ग्रैंडफादर में था. My father hardly remembers his father talking to his children or expressing some kind of affection or love towards them. He was always remembered as a person who gave blunt replies and didn't care about what other people felt. But I means writer. That is a girl. Eventually, as he walked closer to his grey old days, he reformed himself to a सोबर पर्सन. जैसे जैसे उनकी एज बढ़ने लगी, ग्रैंड डॉटर को याद है कि वो एक सोबर, एक नाइस पर्सन के रूप में होने लगे थे. When the birth of his first grandchild means like writer, he became even more sober and sweeter. ग्रैंड डॉटर के बर्थ के बाद में वो स्वीट और सोबर होने लग गए थे. Grandmother and father saw different changes. They started seeing a face they had never seen before. But my grandfather still remained very reserved. My first 3 years were with my grandparents, far away from my parents. The writer have to stay without her parents with the grandparents because they have to flew Mumbai for work, and she lived with her grandparents. God had gifted them in their old age to pamper, love and cares. My grandmother means writer's grandmother cooked all the possible food that the 3 years old good child eat, and grandfather carried her everywhere where the 3-year-old girl can go. There was nothing the little fairy has missed in that small village. उस छोटे से गांव में उस little fairy ने कुछ भी मिस नहीं किया. Soon the whole village knew this inseparable grandfather and granddaughter duo. There was never a moment one could see either of us alone. वो तीनों कभी भी अकेले नहीं रहते थे, हमेशा साथ ही रहते थे. Her grandfather loved her so much that he wouldn't open his eyes in the morning without seeing this little fairy who taught him the art of living. किसने सिखाया आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग? उस लिटिल फेरी ने, ग्रैंडडॉटर ने. After 3 long years, a writer's parent come home with a passport and a visa all ready for her to fly away, and they took away her with them to Dubai. And grandparents, though very hesitate and sad, but they are helpless, so they had to let her go with her parents. Although they brought her up those 3 years, yet they had to accept the fact that she was their only grandchild and had to let her go with her parents. After that day, when she has gone, her grandfather went back to his old days. He used to get angry and irritated even at the smallest creak of door. दरवाजे की थोड़ी सी आवाज पर भी चिल्लाने लगते थे. He spent his time all alone. He sat at the veranda with a confused stare on the plain floor. He missed his little fairy very much. In a year's time, on a dreadful morning, the news of her grandfather's death reached them. 1 साल के बाद में ग्रैंडफादर के डेथ की न्यूज उनको मिली. Since she was a small girl, अभी भी वो छोटी थी, but the reality of death was too complex for her to comprehend. But she knew, लेकिन वो क्या जानती थी, that there was something very bad that happened, and the next time when she went home, she would never be able to run into those warm arms again. वो इतना समझ गई थी कि अब वो अपने ग्रैंडफादर की वार्म आर्म में दोबारा नहीं जा पाएगी. After a year, she came to know that the grandfather had donated both his eyes to 2 blind people who rejoiced in his name with the power of vision. 2 blind people को उन्होंने अपनी आईज डोनेट कर दी थी. Nobody in the family knew about it except my uncle. While donating, grandfather had told my uncle that he wanted to donate his eyes once he died so that his eyes might still live to see his little fairy. कितना एक्सट्रीम लव उनका अपनी ग्रैंड डॉटर के लिए था कि उन्होंने अपनी आईज डोनेट इसलिए की जिससे खुद के डेथ के बाद में भी उनकी आंखें उस लिटिल फेरी को देख सके. एवरी टाइम शी थिंक ऑफ दैट थॉट ऑफ माई डियर ग्रैंड फादर माई आईज फिल विथ टीयर्स। जब भी इसके बारे में वो सोचती है तो उसकी आंखें जो हैं वो दुख से भर जाती हैं। आई हैव मेट द 2 people who can now because of his great deed। बाद में वो उन 2 people से मिली जिससे कि ग्रैंडफादर की जो आईज हैं वो उसको देख सके। दो आई डोंट नो देम येट दोज आईज डू स्माइल एट मी। दो वो उसको जानती नहीं थी उन दोनों पीपल को, बट उनकी जो आईज थी वो स्माइल कर रही थी उसकी तरफ। इफ माई ग्रैंडफादर इफ अ ग्रैंडफादर हु वॉज अ वेरी रूड एंड डिजर्व्ड मैन इन अदर्स आईज कुड डू इट, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस कैन डू इट। राइटर का यहाँ पर एक इंस्पायर करने वाली एक बात कही है कि ग्रैंडफादर जो बहुत रूड और रिजर्व पर्सन थे वो भी अगर अपनी आईज जो है वो दूसरों को डोनेट कर सकते हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं। राइटर इज सेइंग दैट वी आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस कैन डू इट, हम सब ये कर सकते हैं। सो डोनेट योर आईज, यू कैन मेक मैनी विटनेस द वर्ल्ड ऑफ लव। अपनी आईज को डोनेट करिए जितना आपको समझ में आता है, जिससे कि इस वर्ल्ड के अंदर जो लव है उसके विटनेस आपकी आईज बन सके। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ रीड द चैप्टर केयरफुली, listen the video carefully and try to understand the chapter and complete the work as always.